Hello, we are from Group 15. My name is HARITH bin HISHAMUDDin, and this is my partner.
My name is IQBAL HAKIMEE from RAFIEE.
And today we are going to be explaining about the urban heat island effect. So first and foremost, what is the urban heat island effect? The urban heat island effect refers to the phenomenon where urban areas experience significantly warmer temperatures than surrounding rural areas, particularly at night. This is due to the dense, hard surfaces in cities, such as the buildings, roads, and pavements, absorbing and releasing heat more efficiently than natural landscapes. So our subject for today is the Kuala Lumpur city. So Kuala Lumpur, as we all know, was officially granted city status in 1972 and became a federal territory in 1974. The city's development was further propelled by figures like Yap Ah Loy and Sir Frank Sydenham, who oversaw infrastructure projects like the Kelang-Kuala Lumpur Railway. And then Kuala Lumpur served as the capital of Federation of Malaysia in 1957 and Malaysia in 1963. So why does the urban heat island effect happen, you might ask? This is because the city has reduced vegetation, because the trees and other vegetation absorb solar radiation and release water vapor through transpiration, which helps cool the environment. Urban areas such as Kuala Lumpur often have less vegetation, reducing this natural cooling effect. Major cities such as Kuala Lumpur also suffers from anthropogenic heat. This means that urban areas such as the city generate heat from various sources like buildings, vehicles, air conditioning, and industrial processes. These gases can lead up to the urban heat island effect. The third reason this happens in Kuala Lumpur is because of albedo. Urban surfaces generally have lower reflectivity compared to natural surfaces, meaning they absorb more solar radiation and less is reflected back into space, meaning heat is often more trapped in these types of cities. So, how do we stop this? I'll be passing on to my partner, IQBAL.
One of the best strategies to overcome this phenomenon is green infrastructure, such as planting trees and increasing green spaces like parks and gardens, provide shade, reduces air temperature through evapotranspiration, and improves air quality. We can also do green roofs. Green roofs and walls also helps absorb less heat than traditional surfaces and increase thermal insulation, reducing the need for air conditioning. Other than that, we can also do cool surfaces for the city. Cool material using permeable pavements, porous bricks, and porous concrete allows for water infiltration and evaporation, which helps to cool the surface temperature and reduce overall heat. Reflective roofing materials reduce the absorption of solar heat, lowering the temperature of buildings and reducing heat transfer into the city. Then the last step to overcome this problem is by enhancing air circulation. Creating open spaces and pathways for air to flow can help remove heat from urban areas. Orientation of the buildings also helps the enhancing air circulation, because planning and orienting buildings to maximize airflow and shade can further reduce heat buildup. So, that's all from us. Thank you.